By the end of this video, you'll gain a deep understanding of how to work out roller. Are you ready to transform your core strength and stability with one simple tool? Today, we're diving deep into the world of ARV rollers. If you've ever wondered how to maximize your workouts with an ARV roller, you're in the right place. We're going to cover everything, from the basics of using an ARV roller to advanced techniques that will take your core workouts to the next level. You'll learn how to properly position your body, engage your core, and roll out effectively to avoid injuries and maximize benefits. Now, let's jump into our first exercise. The basic of rollout. First, kneel on a mat with the roller in front of you. Grasp the handles firmly, and as you slowly roll the wheel forward, keep your core tight and your back straight. It's crucial to maintain control as you extend your body and roll back to the starting position. Next, we'll progress to the knee rollouts. These are similar to the basic rollout, but start from a kneeling position, making it easier to control the movement and focus on engaging the core muscles. For those ready to challenge themselves, the advanced rollout from a standing position is the next step. This exercise requires significant core strength and stability, so ensure you have mastered the basics before attempting. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Beyond these core-focused exercises, the ARV roller can also be used for variations like oblique rollouts and single arm rollouts to target different parts of your midsection. Remember to breathe steadily throughout each movement and avoid rushing through the exercises. Consistency and proper form are key to seeing results and preventing injuries. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the main points. We've covered the basic of rollouts, knee rollouts, and advanced rollouts, along with variations to target different areas of the core. 1 second lesson. Maximize gains with Dynamize ESO 100 and Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard Whey. Gluten-free, high-protein blends for muscle growth. Links in the description. Elevate your fitness game. Let's continue a video's main topic. To take your ARV workouts to the next level, incorporate these exercises into your routine regularly. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. Your feedback is essential and helps me create content that meets your fitness goals. Thanks for watching, and let's keep pushing towards a stronger, healthier you.